Welcome back to Smart Life, your go-to source for navigating the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Each week, we dive deep into the innovations that are shaping our world, discussing the breakthroughs, the controversies, and the sheer cool factor of modern advancements. Technology moves at an incredible pace, constantly presenting new tools and new questions for us to consider. We are here to unpack these complex topics for you, making sense of the jargon and getting to the heart of what truly matters. Join us as we explore the cutting edge, looking at the gadgets and ideas that are not just changing how we live, but also how we think about the future itself. This episode is packed with some truly fascinating developments from across the tech spectrum, innovations that spark curiosity and debate. First up, we turn our attention to a story that feels ripped straight from the pages of science fiction, Neuralink. Elon Musk's ambitious venture aimed at merging the human brain with artificial intelligence is currently standing at a significant crossroads, a critical juncture in its development. The dream of creating a direct interface with our minds, offering potential solutions for severe medical conditions, is a powerful and alluring one. However, recent events have cast a shadow of doubt, raising serious questions about the project's viability and the safety of its pioneering participants. Is this groundbreaking endeavor on the verge of a major breakthrough that could redefine human capability? Or is the ambitious dream of a seamlessly connected mind beginning to unravel before our very eyes? We will investigate all the latest updates. Next, we take to the skies to examine the latest buzz in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles, focusing specifically on the DJI drone revolution. This company has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible with consumer and professional drones, and their newest offerings continue this impressive trend of innovation. We will be looking at how these sophisticated flying machines are soaring to new heights in terms of capability, offering breathtaking aerial photography and videography tools to creators everywhere. But it's not all clear skies for these advanced pieces of tech. These advancements also bring a complex web of regulations and restrictions, particularly in regions like the United States. Are these drones truly liberating our creative potential, or are they becoming increasingly grounded by a growing list of rules and pressing geopolitical concerns? This is a critical discussion. And finally, we delve into a fascinating discovery that could fundamentally alter our understanding of a cornerstone of forensic science, a field critical to justice. Artificial intelligence has reportedly uncovered a hidden secret within human fingerprints, a subtle secret that has eluded experts and their traditional methods for many generations. For over a century, fingerprints have been considered unique identifiers, a gold standard in linking individuals to places or objects. But this new AI-driven insight suggests there's much more to them than meets the human eye, or can be found through conventional analysis. Could we be on the brink of a monumental breakthrough in forensic medicine, one that could potentially solve cold cases and refine our methods of identification for good? This development makes us ponder. Neuralink's mission merges the human brain with AI, breaking barriers between biology and digital systems. This opens new frontiers for treating conditions like paralysis. Elon Musk's involvement amplified global interest, fueled by a vision of a connected future. At its core is the N1 implant, a coin-sized device with ultra-thin threads extending into the brain. Targeting the motor cortex, the N1 captures neural signals to control external devices. Neuralink aims to restore motor functions, enabling control of computers and prosthetic limbs with thoughts. In January 2024, Neuralink announced they had successfully implanted its brain-computer interface, the N1 device, into the first human participant. This news ignited media coverage, sparking excitement and trepidation about human-machine integration. This first human trial represented a leap forward for the brain-computer interface field. The first human recipient was Nolan Arbaugh, quadriplegic following a diving accident, who volunteered, hoping to regain some independence. The goal was for the N1 device to capture brain signals, allowing Mr. Arbaugh to control external devices through thought. Demonstrations showcased his ability to control a computer cursor and even play online chess using only his mind. This success placed immense pressure on Neuralink, with expectations soaring. The narrative of groundbreaking success soon encountered an unexpected turn. Reports surfaced indicating significant technical problems with Neuralink's first human trial. The Wall Street Journal highlighted these issues, casting a shadow over initial optimism. Concerns mounted regarding the N1 implant's long-term reliability. This served as a stark reminder of unforeseen obstacles in pioneering medical technology. It was reported that many ultra-fine threads housing the electrodes had retracted from Mr. Arbaugh's brain tissue. Neuralink confirmed that approximately 85% of these threads had pulled away. The company attributed the problem to the brain's natural movement within the skull. Despite these significant and publicly reported challenges, Neuralink demonstrated a commitment to persevere. The company did not concede defeat in the face of the thread retraction issue, which could have derailed a less determined effort. Instead, Neuralink's team publicly acknowledged the problem and affirmed their dedication to finding solutions. This resilience is often a hallmark of pioneering research, where unexpected outcomes are not just failures, but opportunities to learn, adapt, and refine methodologies. The ability to confront setbacks head-on is crucial for progress in brain-computer interfaces. In response to the reduced number of functional electrodes, Neuralink's engineers deployed a remote software update. This was a critical intervention aimed at mitigating the impact of the hardware issue. The update involved modifying the signal processing algorithm that interprets the raw neural data. The goal was to enhance the system's sensitivity, making it more adept at detecting weaker neural signals from the remaining electrodes. This agile response showcased the importance of sophisticated software in addressing physical limitations of the hardware. Following the software adjustments, Neuralink reported positive outcomes. The modifications led to significant improvement in the device's performance, particularly in the bits per second rate. The BPS rate is a key metric for measuring communication speed and accuracy. A higher BPS rate indicates more efficient translation of thought into digital action. Remarkably, Neuralink asserted that the N1 device was now performing even better than its initial baseline. This suggested that software optimization could compensate for the physical retraction of threads. Looking ahead, Neuralink outlined plans for future preventative measures. One primary strategy being considered is to implant the electrodes deeper into brain tissue. Deeper placement might make threads less susceptible to displacement from brain movement. However, this proposed solution brings its own ethical and medical considerations. Implanting electrodes more deeply carries potential risks of affecting sensitive brain structures. The crucial challenge lies in finding the delicate balance between ensuring long-term efficacy and upholding patient safety standards. Despite setbacks, Neuralink's PRIME study clinical trial continues, actively recruiting individuals with quadriplegia. Over 1,000 have volunteered, showing the hope this technology inspires. Neuralink plans a second human implantation by June 2025, with 9 more by year's end. They emphasize continuous improvement driven by user feedback. Neuralink offers no guarantees at this experimental stage, highlighting the immense technical and ethical challenges. The dream of restoring lost movement and cognitive functions drives this research. DJI has largely shaped the world of consumer and professional drones. DJI democratized aerial photography, transforming it into a tool available to enthusiasts and industries. The Mavic series stands out as a beacon of engineering. Celebrated for its balance of portability and power, the Mavic line offers foldable designs without compromising high-end features. Each iteration introduces better cameras, longer flight times, and intelligent flight modes. The Mavic 4 Pro is met with excitement and high expectations. DJI faces the challenge of delivering something revolutionary. The Mavic 4 Pro is a significant leap forward. It's a bold invitation to reimagine how we see the world from the sky. The Mavic 4 Pro's design follows its series legacy. It folds to a compact size yet transforms into a floating aerial studio. At its core is a 100-megapixel Hasselblad camera. It also features a versatile 3-lens setup for flexible framing. The gimbal offers a wide range of motion for creative shots. Expect longer flight times, up to 50 minutes, and a top speed of 90 km/h in sports mode. AI-driven tracking and obstacle avoidance enhance safety and ease of use even in darkness. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro democratizes high-end aerial content creation, blurring lines between hobbyists and professionals. Its 6K resolution and D-Log color grading offer image control previously reserved for larger setups. This empowers creators to achieve cinematic quality results. Advanced features unlock new creative possibilities, capturing shots once impossible. The Mavic 4 Pro is invaluable for journalism, construction, and conservation. Drones are changing the visual language of modern media, becoming an expected component of engaging content. This leads to immersive storytelling, offering audiences greater scale and wonder. Despite the marvels of drones like the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, governmental restrictions loom, particularly from the United States. These restrictions stem from geopolitical issues, primarily national security anxieties and data privacy concerns. DJI has consistently denied wrongdoing and emphasized user data control, offering features like local data modes. Operating within heightened geopolitical tension, these efforts often struggle to alleviate deep-seated suspicions. This presents a dilemma for consumers and businesses, weighing cutting-edge technology against potential risks and fluid regulations. The Mavic 4 Pro's launch cements DJI's role as a leader in aerial technology, setting new standards for image quality and intelligent features. Despite facing regulatory and geopolitical hurdles, DJI's investment in R&D keeps it at the forefront, driving innovation for hobbyists and professionals. Restrictions, especially from the US, could either stifle innovation or spark growth in domestic competitors, but the global tech ecosystem remains deeply interconnected. For users, this evolving landscape means balancing excitement for new tech with the need to stay informed and operate responsibly. Education is key. Pilots must understand not just how to fly, but how to do so safely, legally, and respectfully. DJI's journey is now shaped by both technological ambition and regulatory scrutiny. The future of drones will depend on finding harmony between progress and societal concerns. How this balance is struck will define the skies for creators and industries worldwide. For over a century, fingerprints have been the gold standard in criminal identification, trusted for their supposed uniqueness. Investigators rely on minutia points, tiny ridge details, to match prints, a process refined over decades. The belief that each finger's print is unique even within the same person has shaped forensic protocols. Traditionally, prints from different fingers couldn't be linked to the same individual without extra evidence. This principle has guided how partial prints are processed and cases are built. But now, this foundational belief faces a challenge. What if subtle, hidden patterns connect all of a person's fingerprints, patterns invisible to human eyes? Recent AI-powered research is beginning to explore this uncharted territory with potentially transformative implications. At Columbia University, researchers trained a deep learning AI on hundreds of thousands of fingerprint images. Unlike traditional matching, the AI was tasked with determining if prints from different fingers belonged to the same person. The AI looked beyond visible minutiae, searching for deeper, hidden patterns. The results were startling. The AI consistently found subtle similarities linking different prints from the same individual. These patterns, invisible to human analysts, suggest a new kind of biometric signature. The AI's ability to detect these hidden connections highlights the transformative power of artificial intelligence in forensic science. It reveals layers of information previously inaccessible to human experts. This breakthrough could redefine how we understand and use fingerprints in investigations. The Columbia AI achieved over 80% accuracy in linking prints from different fingers of the same person, a feat once thought impossible. This challenges the core forensic belief that each fingerprint is entirely unique and independent. The AI uncovered a hidden biometric signature, subtle, granular features that connect all of an individual's fingerprints. Dr. Gabriel Goya, lead researcher, explained, "We're not just matching one finger to another, we're connecting all 5 fingers of one hand to another set from the same person." This discovery isn't about obvious patterns but about deep, structural similarities. The implications are profound, suggesting a more holistic approach to biometric identification. It opens the door to linking prints across crime scenes in ways never before possible. The future of fingerprint analysis may be far more interconnected than we ever imagined. If AI can reliably link different fingerprints from the same person, it could revolutionize forensic investigations. Investigators may no longer treat each partial print as isolated evidence, increasing the value of latent prints in complex cases. Cold cases with multiple unmatched prints could be reopened as AI finds connections previously missed. In active cases, AI could rapidly assess whether prints from different fingers belong to the same suspect, streamlining investigations. This technology could transform lead generation and case resolution, but must be integrated with caution. Rigorous validation, peer review, and standardized protocols are essential before widespread adoption. AI should augment, not replace, human expertise in forensic science. The next era of identification will blend human judgment with AI's analytical power, reshaping the future of criminal justice. The groundbreaking discovery of a hidden unifying signature that appears to exist across an individual's entire set of fingerprints naturally extends its potential applications far beyond criminal investigations and forensic science. We should consider personal identification and biometric security systems. If AI can discern these deeper common patterns that link all of a person's fingerprints, this could pave the way for more robust, more secure, and more sophisticated authentication methods. Future security systems might not rely on just one fingerprint but could analyze features from multiple fingers simultaneously to create a harder-to-spoof biometric identifier. This breakthrough opens up fascinating new questions and avenues for scientific research. What exactly are these subtle patterns that AI is detecting? Are these patterns rooted in genetic predispositions which influence fingerprint formation across all 10 digits? Or are they related to developmental biology processes, how friction-ridged skin forms during gestation? Understanding this intra-person similarity could provide deeper insights into human biology, genetics, and fetal development. As with any powerful new technology involving AI and sensitive biometric data, ethical considerations are paramount. The ability to link biometric information raises questions about data privacy, individual autonomy, and potential misuse. How will this information be stored, who will have access, and how will it be protected? Could AI lead to pervasive surveillance or algorithmic profiling? This AI discovery in fingerprints serves as a compelling example of how AI enables us to perceive new information hidden within familiar data. It challenges scientific assumptions, pushes boundaries of understanding, and prompts re-evaluation of doctrines. By revealing hidden connections, AI solves old problems in new ways and uncovers new scientific puzzles. This journey into biology's secrets, guided by intelligent algorithms, promises fascinating insights. This week on Smart Life, we explored Neuralink's brain chip project, DJI's Mavic 4 Pro, and AI uncovering hidden secrets within our fingerprints. Each showcases the relentless march of technological advancement, constantly pushing boundaries. Neuralink's challenging path underscores that the road to revolution is rarely smooth. DJI highlights that innovation is intertwined with complex global dynamics. The AI fingerprint discovery offers a different flavor of innovation. It can perceive intricate patterns, potentially revolutionizing fields like criminal justice. It's a compelling example of discovery. Human ambition drives technological narratives, from Neuralink's audacious brain-machine interfaces to DJI's aerial innovations and AI fingerprint analysis. Ambition faces adversity. Neuralink encountered electrode displacement, and DJI confronts governmental restrictions. Adaptation defines innovation. Neuralink enhanced software, and DJI engages with regulators. Setbacks are valuable data, guiding us toward robust solutions and breakthroughs. As we conclude, it's clear these technological developments illustrate the unceasing human quest for knowledge. Neuralink, DJI, and AI fingerprint researchers are part of this continuous narrative of discovery. The aim is to bring positive change to human lives. These advancements spark curiosity and fuel anticipation for the future. The path of innovation, though challenging, propels humanity forward. These developments leave us thoughtfully informed.